we are learning to find half of a group. Here is a group of apples. If I'm going to break this group of apples into half, I'm going to make sure that I have two equal groups. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples. Just like whether I'm doing a rectangle or my shapes, I can cut my group in half that way. And here is the other equal group. So, I can now know that half of my 8 apples equals 4. Okay, here are 8 pencil sharpeners, and I want to split them into half. Now the denominator down the bottom tells me that there needs to be 2 even groups. So here's one group that I can pop in there, and here is another group. So now I'm going to put one in there, and I'm going to put one in there. So far, 2 even groups. I'm going to pop another one in there, and I'm going to pop another one in there. 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 And pop another one in there. Yes, excellent. So, I now know that a half of all those pencil sharpeners, half of 8 equals the number of pencil sharpeners in these 2 groups. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. I might just check that this group has the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Half of 8 equals 4.